In this video, I will explain my answer to this problem. I am asked to prove that this function, x squared minus 6x plus 8 has a 0 on the interval 0, 3, then find the zeros. I will use the intermediate value theorem to prove this problem. And first take a look at my function. This is a polynomial function. And I learned that every polynomial function is continuous everywhere. So my proof, since my function is a polynomial, it is continuous everywhere on R. Thus, the function also continuous on the interval 0, 3. The IVT can be used if f of 0 is not equal to f of 3. By observation, f of 0 is equal to 0 squared minus 6 times 0 plus 8, which is 8, and f of 3 is 3 squared minus 6 of 3 plus 8, which is negative 1. This observation only implies that IVT can be used on our function. Without looking at the graph, since our function has negative and positive values, then there must be an x such that f of x is equal to 0. IVT guarantees the existence of this x in the interval 0, 3. Since 0 is in between of negative 1 and 8, therefore, our function indeed has a 0 on the interval 0, 3. Now that we just proved that our function has a 0 on the interval 0, 3, let's find the zeros. Since our function is x squared minus 6x plus 8, and as we observed from our proof that our f of 0 is 8 and our f of 3 is negative 1, and we'll find the f of x where our f of x is between the 0, between this interval 0, 3, which is, so find the x that will cross with our function when f of x is equal to 0. So to do that, we have this equation, 0 is equal to x squared minus 6x plus 8. Then as we can see, this is this trinomial. We can, this is factorable by by x minus 4 and x minus 2. The values of our x are 4 and 2. To be specific, the applicable x value here is the 2 because 2 is in between of 0 and 3.